So we're on our way to Waterfalls at the moment. How's the driving going, Anna?
It was going well until now. There's a bit of an obstruction in the road.
Yeah, we've got a few little cows in the middle of the road.
They've got massive dangly bits around their necks.
No dramas though, just avoid it. Oh, straight across the road. Beep. Oh.
Oh no.
Stop, brother.
No, don't. He's going to attack you. He's going to attack the car.
I'm just communicating with them. So yeah, another day in Australia. Cows on the road. No dramas though.
Today at the top of the walk towards Waterfalls. It's supposed to be a 2-kilometre walk, which doesn't sound too bad except for the signs that tell you that you might actually die.
People have died here.
Yeah, should
Sometimes.
be a good one.
That's life anyway, off we go. Right, we've just seen Waterfall, very beautiful, and now we're starting the ascension back up. So, expect to see us very sweaty in a minute. Sweaty and hot. Off we go. Right then, back at the beginning. How was the walk back up?
It wasn't as bad as I expected, but still pretty painful.
Still out of breath though, but beautiful. So no, not too bad. It's cool. Well, that was Waterfalls anyway. So we've just spent about an hour on the beach trying to find a cassowary, and we're driving back, and well, there's a cassowary on the road. So yeah, nice and close. There we go. Endangered, only a thousand of them left. He's literally right next to us. This is where we are. We're on a road and he's just strolling like a pedestrian.
That's why they're endangered.
That is why they're endangered.
It's just basically a giant dinosaur turkey.
Off he goes. He is heading off into the bush. Never to be seen again. Hours spent on the beach. Just as we're leaving, the cassowary pops up. Murphy's Law, that's called. Murphy's Law.